Then you specify to which package this class is belong. We're going to come across discussing the packages, how we organize our Java classes. Then, as you can see, the class is created. I didn't put W as capital because this is a shortcut to stop the recording. So that's why I put W as small. This is a class, as you can see in the top, there is a package here, package, and we'll declare this class belong to which package, to which folders that this class that we're going to create going to be stored in. And this file, hello world.java, will be stored on a specific locations on the program, on the hard disk. I think we can go, yes, so yeah, you can see here, I hope it's visible. So this is the 01 app that we create. Inside it, you can see hello world.java, which is actually the file. You're going to take this file in some apps and you're going to upload it using Web Submit. Back to this class. Now you can ask public static void main, and you can see it's give you autocomplete to complete the public static void and give you the header. Now once this class contains public static void main, which means this class is executable. We can execute this class. We can add system.out.println and we give any string. Don't forget you need to add a semicolon at the end. Now this class is created, print line small. You can go back, you can run from here, or you can run the app. You can run the main hello.main, and you will wait for the Gradles to build the app. Execution of this using Android should depend on your machine. Sometimes you will see this going fast, sometimes going slow, based on your machine. Whenever you develop an app, you need to link any app with the jar file. The jar file for this course, it's i2c.jar file. You can see here, execution is finished and the print message to the console is appeared, hello EECS1022. Now, if you go back to the project view, you will see on the app there is a library which is i2c.jar. You can simply drag and drop the i2c jar to this location and right click to this one, and you can add or link this to your code. Link this with the Gradles, and you can see on the Gradles, build the Gradle here. On this one, you can see the dependency. What is it? It will be shown here in some place, I don't remember where is it now. Okay, yeah, here. Yeah, in the build, Gradle build, you can see that dependency is part of it is the itc.jar to make sure it's successfully linked. Okay. Yes. Yes. jar file will contain many ABIs are built by the author of this textbook, and you're going to use this method, okay, during the development of the app. And also there's some questions on the lab test will ask you to use it. So you need to know how to link the jar file. So the jar files contain some methods are developed by the author of this textbook. So it's good to link the jar file to every app you create for this course. How to link the jar file with your apps? Go to the previous lecture, there's steps. Read the textbook, there is also steps. How you link your jar file. Okay? Now, all what we discussed in the demo is here on the slide. As you can see, this is the main zero activity class that's created by the Android Studio for us to be able to allow us to run the app. And also, there is a package. For each app, you will see that the app will sort out the Java file that you're going to create for this app inside one package. And in this case will be ca.your.ecs1022.0. So when you see the package written like this, you should have, or you should understand that you have a folder called CA. Inside it, there is a folder called your. Inside it, there is another folder called ECS1022. Inside that folder, there is a zero folder where every class you create will be inside that folder. So these are import messages generated by the Android Studio default. We're going to write our import messages later on when we create our own class. So you can see that Android Studio try to import what we call a app compact activity packages and also Android OS bundles that necessary some files, some method we need from these packages to be executed. And this is the body of the, inside the blue box is the body of this class. Now you can create a new class, and you give a name to this class, you specify to which folders or to which package. By default, leave the things the same. It will. Now, let's say, okay, it's